let me show you what we've done lately. This is the new design for PixelYourSite. It looks very similar to the design we have for Social Connect. If you don't know about Social Connect, watch my other videos or go directly on the website and look for Social Connect. It's really useful. But now we have a new design for PixelYourSite. When I record this video, the design is not completed. We will release it when it's ready. We are working on a new redesign for Constant Magic. They will have the same idea. The most is nothing, but it's still useful. The most important change, you don't have to scroll all the time you want to save something. You will have a button that stays here. So change and save. Everything else is more or less in the same place. I wanted to keep things similar because I don't want to record all the help videos or to rewrite all the help pages. So if you know how to use PixelYourSite right now, you will definitely know how to use it after we release the new design. It's just better, and everything looks better. Everything is in the right place. For example, here are a Google Tag Manager settings. We have support for Google Tag Manager, by the way. If you don't know, I have videos on our YouTube channel how Google Tag Manager can work with PixelYourSite. Very useful. And our video section, it's way better. I really like this because when I have a useful video, I will add it here so you can watch it directly. It will open the video on YouTube. And if you want to hide it, to have better space, you can do it. Now, from here, you can control events that track key actions, all these options. I mean, everything is very easy to reach. We have our events page, and I will, after we release the plugin, we will release a new feature, very useful, a new way to configure events to track whatever you want and whatever data you want from a page. It will be really nice. It won't be ready when we first release this design, but the next major update will include it. So here again, a video section that you can hide. These are the events, you can configure them. You will see which tag gets an event. All these settings for the events, triggers, conditions. Conditions are relatively new and very powerful. I have videos about conditions. So basically you have a trigger or multiple triggers, and then you can restrict with conditions like URL filters, very useful. And here you can configure the event for the tag that will get the data, like meta, which pixel, which event type, parameters, and so on. And all these tags, including Google Tag Manager, if you want to send events to Google Tag Manager, and from there to other tags that we don't support yet. So all is very powerful. And here there are instructions how to use dynamic values for events and so on. We have a dedicated page for Ecommerce as before. I mean, is the same as in our current or old design. All these settings clearly visible. Again, a video section which you can hide. Various options here. And from here you can control the key events for Ecommerce with their options. Okay. A similar page for easy digital downloads. We have a dedicated integration with CarFlows. If you use CarFlows, you will see this page. And we moved head and footer from this menu here because it's a core feature. So you can add scripts to pages of your website, to the specific pages, and to the Ecommerce order received page if you need to. We also have such a feature when you edit a page. So select the page, edit, look for our head and footer option and add scripts there if you need to add extra scripts on a page. Consent, I don't think it's yet ready, so I will not open it, but all the features that we have about consent will be there. The main menu, global settings, Ecommerce reports. We plan to do something about reports. That will be a large task, and I think you'll love it. I'm really excited about it, but this will be in the future. Report UTM builder, another very useful page. You can build URLs with UTMs and use them, so we are able to detect UTMs and track the data correctly, a license page and the system report. So nothing extraordinary, but a better design, and it will help us to add new features that will look good and will be easy to use. We are doing the same for Constant Magic. This design is a little bit behind compared to PixelYourSite, so we will first release PixelYourSite new design and then Constant Magic. And maybe another plugin will get the new design. I want to have this unified design for our core products and then slowly change all the other products accordingly. So this is Social Connect, is the same logic. Constant Magic will look like this, and PixelYourSite. So we are not sitting on our assays doing nothing. We are sitting on our, because that's how we work, sitting. But we are working and improving our products, adding new feature, improving the way they look, and making everything better. Why? Because we have you, our customer, and we like you to stay with us and renew your licenses, or from time to time when we have offers to get a lifetime license and get everything for free forever. Well, forever. I mean, for as long as we are here. And I plan to stay here. Thank you for watching. I'm Cristian Stoicescu from PixelYourSite. You can find all our plugins and products on PixelYourSite.com. Make sure you watch other videos on YouTube. I try to make useful videos about our plugin and about Meta and about Google, sometimes about TikTok, sometimes about Bing, Ecommerce and other stuff. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.